Right, this is a very quick compactor hand tamper build, because I'm not paying 45 quid for one, neither should you. As you can see, it gets results. Right, you need to start off, find some scrap wood. I'm using 3/4 inch OSB and I'm going to cut two 10-inch squares. Right, so nice and easy. Just mark it out, yeah, and then cut it out. Couldn't be easier, could it? You'll see later why I'm marking the centre mark here. This is definitely tough enough to compact sand, gravel, soil, whatever you want. I'm using it to compact sand underneath block pavers. Now that cross you marked earlier for the centre of the board becomes apparent. You want this well balanced. This is just a sledgehammer with a fiberglass handle. I think it's a 12-pounder. Now I use the hole just above the board, so I screw it at an angle and it tightens the band down and pulls it down to the board. You want this secure. And I add a couple of straps at an angle just to make sure. As you can see, it does the job more than adequately. And it gives a finished result like this. Full block paver patio build coming up later in the year on the channel.